Tee hee hee hee. Tee hee hee hee.
Yuck. Yeesh. Sweet.
Tee hee hee hee.
Well done, my son! I hope you didn't peek. Remember, I will always be at the side of those who have found me. You can call me once per day with this, but I can't help against bosses. They're scary. Come find me again for another.
You will never get laid looking like that, kid.
Now that you have found Jesus, he will always be with you.
That was so amazing, what you did for me. I won't forget it.
Hey, kid, maybe you can help us with something. All these homeless people in South Park are making us look like a cold and heartless town. If you could go and beat the crap out of all the bums and vagrants, they'll leave town, and it'll restore South Park's reputation as a compassionate community. You gotta get every single one of those bastards, okay? Chop chop! We still have hobos, kid. Come back when you've solved our little problem.
How many car crashes have you been in? Oh!
Timmy!
Oh joy, it's Butthole the Barbarian from the Dungeons of Dumbass. You gotta admit he looks better.
Yeah, he's almost a goth.
Being goth isn't just how you dress, it's a frame of mind. It's time for you to prove that you go against society's rules.
Yeah.
There's a big PTA meeting happening right now at the community center. You need to walk right into the middle of that meeting and tape this sign to their table.
Yeah, that will prove your individuality.
Go on, beat it. And don't come back until you have a picture of that sign taped to the PTA table.
Pass trouble! Timmy!
Hey, you're getting popular. I need to get in on that.
Timmy!
Butter's got a horrible snuggie over there. Yeah, have fun in there. I think I'll wait it out.
It isn't right, I tell you! Out of nowhere, this huge Taco Bell is being built, and now our children are missing precious school time!
Parents, we've been assured by the builders that they are working to fix whatever problems they've encountered, and school should be able to resume soon.
Resume soon? Who do they think they are? They think we're gonna see a Taco Bell as being more important than our kids' educations?
What if it's not really a Taco Bell we're dealing with? Thanks for coming, new kid. Everyone, this is the kid whose family just moved to town. We've become very close friends. His name is... What's your name? Well, anyway, this child and I witnessed something last night, and I'd like you to hear his story. Go ahead, kid. Tell them, about all the... Go ahead, tell them that stuff.
This is a waste of everyone's time. If the PTA isn't gonna do something about Taco Bell taking over, then the rest of us parents will. Come on!
Let's go!
Come on!
I used to have a bad hoarding problem, okay, but I got past it. Now I can just throw things away. Would you mind throwing this away for me? I just need it thrown away somewhere very specific. I'll show you on your map. Okay, thanks. All purchases go to...
Look, I know how you're feeling, okay? But this isn't gonna solve anything. We've got to get inside that Taco Bell and find out what's really going on. Help me with that and I'll help you with this. I saw you on the ship. You have pretty good control over your farts. Meet me in the bathroom. It's time for you to learn some real power.
I can tell you have potential, but you are undisciplined. Let me show you what I mean. Come at me. Try and fart on me. Come on. Kia! You call that farting on someone? You missed by a mile. Try again. Kia! You call that farting on someone? You missed by a mile. Try again. Kia! You call that farting on someone? You missed by a mile. Try again. Hi, cha! See that? Your fart's over there somewhere. Didn't come close. So, what do you do when people can block your farts? You must learn to control your farts to move and release at a specific time and place. I'm going to teach you a fart called the Sneaky Squeaker. It will become your greatest ally. Don't believe me? Try and block my attack. You see that? I distracted you. Distracting your opponents is key to battle. Look, let me show you again. Pay special attention to the viscosity. Okay, you try. Make your fart detonate behind me. Oh, hey, guys. Oh, Mr. Mackey. Now it's your turn. Use Sneaky Squeaker to distract Mr. Mackey over to the corner there. Hey, did you guys hear that? Sounded like a chipmunk. Kia! Very, very good. Now use what I taught you to sneak inside that Taco Bell. Find out what they're up to and report back here. And no matter what happens, never fart on anyone's balls. You got that? All right. Now go.
This is why we have to reopen the school. Too many idle hands.
That's all you've got is a sign? At least crap on a desk
I hope you haven't already fallen in with a bad crowd.
around in here.
Can you keep a secret? Neither can I.
Go about your questing, Hobbit boy.
Nice work. I will let you know of any updates on Manberpeg. Make sure to share the news on Facebook. I'm super serial. Keep an eye out for Manberpeg. I'll contact you on my internet when I pinpoint his exact location.
Guess Mr. Mackey will never quite get over what that owl did to him. Sweet. Whoa, dude.
Folks, there's nothing to be concerned with here. Absolutely nothing out of the ordinary is going on. We're simply getting ready for the grand opening of a new Taco Bell. New Taco Bell opening soon. Very big Taco Bell. It's going to open in a few weeks. Thank you. Will this Taco Bell be serving enchiritos? What? Well, is it going to be a full menu Taco Bell, or is this going to be one of those Taco Bell KFC combos? We got a guy out here asking a lot of questions. Just stick to the script as laid out in the protocol. But he wants to know if the Taco Bell will have enchiritos or not, sir. Damn it, we don't have a contingency for that. Michaels, isolate and neutralize the threat. Yes, sir. Look, it's a simple question. If this is going to be a huge Taco Bell, will it serve enchiritos? I think we have a right to know.
Mark?
Folks, we know you're all very excited, but for your safety, we ask you stay clear of the construction site.
Mark?
Sorry, absolutely nobody allowed past. Check back in a few weeks. Thank you.
Don't you know any way to get past people?
Sorry, absolutely nobody allowed past. Check back in a few weeks. Thank you. Sorry, absolutely nobody allowed past. Check back in a few weeks. Thank you.
Elephant poachers. Being stalked by a beaver family.
This place doesn't really look like a Taco Bell.
Being stalked by a beaver family. Sounds like ketchup in a squeeze bottle.
Huh. Guess Nicki Minaj released a new single.
Not exactly sure what you're
Hey,
at.
get out of there. That's Taco Bell property. Shh! What was that?
Being stalked by a beaver family. Hey.
Engaging hostile! Hey, get out of there. That's Taco Bell property.
Guzzlebud?
Sweet.
Threat detected! Hey, get out of there. That's Taco Bell property.
What was that? Is somebody here? Sorry, absolutely nobody allowed past. Check back in a few weeks. Thank you. Huh. Guess Nicki Minaj released a new single.
Sounded like a clown horn filled with prune juice.
I think someone's testing Tupperware.
Yuck.
Ah!
But so far, we've been unable to stop the UFO from leaking the toxic waste. We've contained all we can, but there are no guarantees an outbreak will not occur.
And does the alien liquid appear to have the same effect as last time? I'm afraid so. When the alien waste reacts with organic material on Earth, it turns things into Nazi zombies.
Die gleiche Not in ihrem Volk gelitten haben!
Here we go again.
God damn it. I'm so tired of Nazi zombies. It's so overused.
If the wrong person gets their hands on that green toxin, it could totally spread it. We have a big problem.
All right, we're gonna have to completely obliterate everything in a 3-block radius. Find locations for the bombs and bury it all. Then make up a fake story about an earthquake. We can contain the outbreak this time if we act quickly enough. Let's move! Everything we've just talked about has been recorded onto this tape. I'm going to leave it alone here for a few minutes, then come back later and have it encrypted and locked away so nobody ever hears what was said in this meeting.
Yes, good idea.
What the fuck? It's broken free!
Die nicht hergerufen hat!
Ah!
Fresh meat from my trusty wolf companion.
Big Head!
Yeah! Yeah! I could do this all day. Man, this secret government base room sure is boring. You'd think that a secret government base would have more cool stuff in it. There's something really weird about those pale German guys.
Ihren Puls gelitten haben! Nicht!
No way, dude. Oh, no, you don't. You hit like my grandpa. Mess with me, you get the claws.
I can't decide what taco I should order first. Maybe I'll get them all.
What's this? It's a recording. There's data on here.
Did they say anything?
What kind of Taco Bell is it going to be?
When are they going to be finished building it? Shh, shh.
All right. We're going to have to completely obliterate everything in a 3-block radius.
What?
Set charges underground to blow up the area and bury it all. Then make a fake story about an earthquake.
They're gonna just blow up 3 blocks?
Sons of bitches. You sons of bitches! What gives them the right? I knew there was more to this. It's not a simple Taco Bell we're dealing with. It's the most massive Taco Bell ever built. You see, ever since the whole Doritos Locos Tacos thing, Taco Bell thinks they can do whatever they want.
Well, not here. Not in our town.
You've done well, new kid. We're not going to let Taco Bell win. I'll take that picture you wanted now of you with the PTA. Nice. I'll send it to you.
Okay, thanks. You threw that away from me? You might be thinking I still have a hoarding issue, but you'd be wrong. Okay. Would you like to be friends on Facebook?
If you refer a friend, Jimbo will waive the waiting period for handguns.
Stolze Ergebenheit in stolzer Freude durch eure Schule.
Oh boy. You got somewhere you'd rather be? Heads up!
Eure Schule. Stolze Ergebenheit.
All right, who's next?
Enjoy your popularity and 1.9 children in your 401k,
What goth kid walks
conformist.
around in those clothes?
Whoa, he did it.
Nice.
Yeah, but he's still not goth. He'll have to pass the final test. You may look goth, Frodo, but can you dance goth? Less enthusiasm?
Totally fucking bullshit. Not how you drink coffee.
You call that smoking? God, I'm feeling the rage.
I like what you did with your coffee there.
Whoa. Apathy combo.
What do you think?
He's pretty goth.
He's pretty goth, right?
Yeah, that was pretty good.
I felt his pain.
All right, new kid, you've officially proven yourself.
Yeah, just tell us where you need us and we'll be there.
Durch eure Schule. Ich stolzer.
Big mistake.
Durch eure Schule.
You're back, Junior Algorian. But why haven't you liked any of my Facebook messages? Unless... Of course. You're no normal human kid. It's you, Man-Bear Pig! I have you now! Let us fight to the death!
Oh, boy.
Now let's see how you like sitting through a whole presentation on global warming! You cannot escape the scientific certainty of global climate change. Yeah! Did you see my movie? Excelsior! Protect the former sort of vice president!
Are we playing or what? Go, boy!
Take cover! I'm low on enchilada rations, but I think I can hold out.
Yeah!
I can!
You look like my grandpa.
Score-tastic!
Oh, no, you don't.
So it's a standoff.
That's enough of that. Hey, fellas.
Yeah!
Sleep now, the whippoorwills are dancing. Gently now, put your mind to rest. Wow, what a group of Gordians.
Yeah!
An amazing feat of skill. And now for my next trick. There once was a maiden from Stoneberry Hollow. She didn't talk much, but boy did she swallow. I had a nice lance that she set upon. The maiden from Stoneberry, who is also your mom. Wow, what a terrific audience. Wow, what a terrific target.
Gorgasm!
Got a thick skin in my line of work.
I can see a light. It's beautiful.
You guys have been great.
Tell my wife. I wasn't that into it. I'm so cold. Oh! Yeah! Ouch! Fall back! Excelsior! Ha! Oh! Hey! Yeah! Oh! Hey! Ha! Ouch! Oh! Ouch! Hey! Yeah! Wait, I can't die! I was almost barely president!
woof, 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 woof.